Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. Today we're cooking lentil soup with a hint of bacon, and the ingredients are green lentils, orange lentils, potatoes, onion, carrot, cauliflower, broccoli, green beans, celery, diced bacon, olive oil, paprika, turmeric for the color, garam masala, chicken stock, salt, ginger, garlic and pepper. Start off by boiling thinly diced carrot, celery, green beans and potato there on the right with all your seasoning. We're boiling it in chicken stock. I prefer chicken stock for this dish because it's lighter in color compared to beef stock. While this is boiling, we're going to fry onion and bacon with all the seasoning. We just need to fry it until the bacon and the onion are nicely glazed. And once they're done, we dish it out into a bowl. In the same pot with bacon flavor, we cook our lentils, starting with green lentil, because green lentil is harder to cook. We cook it for a bit of a while in a close pot. Only once it's soft do we throw the orange lentil. Orange lentil cooks very quick and it can easily cook up and disappear. And back to our main pot with vegetable. We're going to shock our vegetables, starting with the one that cooks faster than the others, the green beans. The reason we do this is so that we can keep the color and the crisp of the vegetable. We're going to do the same with celery, and we're going to finish off with the carrot because carrot is going to cook last. This is the reason why we didn't mix all our veg in one pot. Potato here is going to cook last. We diced it so small so that it can just cook and disappear without having to mash. Throw in your cauliflower in the potato. And cook for a short while. Then add the broccoli stems. Make sure they've been peeled and sliced. You peel your broccoli stems so they're not chewy. Cook them for a short while in a closed pot. You'll see the water that we use to shock the vegetable is making its way back into the soup because we don't want to throw the flavors and the nutrients away. So the last vegetable I'm putting in there is the broccoli heads because they cook very fast. I can't throw them in with everything else because they're going to lose color and they will just go missing in the soup. At this point, the vegetable is cooking nicely. and the potato pieces have disappeared. That's why we don't throw our potatoes in chunks. It's because we want that potato to become soup. And now it's time to throw in our onion and bacon. Once we've thrown our bacon in the soup, we're not going to close our pot tight because we don't want the bacon to lose that glaze and crispiness. We also don't want our soup to lose this brown color that we've just added with the onion and the bacon. It's nice and cozy in there. Now it's time to bring our veg. You can see the carrot is looking orange, bright and crisp. That's the result of the shocking. Same with our celery. Same with the green beans. They're also nice and crunchy. The soup part is going to come from the potato as well as the lentil. We want to keep our veg nice and crisp and colorful. Now the lentils are ready now to be thrown into the soup. You'll see that the lentils are green and the orange lentil hasn't disappeared. So you add that to the soup in the main pot. Just one more simmer, we're done. There we are. Our soup is ready. I so love the color and the crunch of the veg. And voila, how I love lentil soup. Thank you for watching my video. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe.